Hi, welcome my friend. A product to love. Boys and girls will go insane when they see this design. The classic night shifter bag spares no details when it comes to design. This 3D patent design is sturdy and beautifully made. Give your child the gift that they will love for years to come. What to love about MaxToys? We aim for happy customer experience. MaxToys offers exclusive, character-inspired bags for children of all ages. This is the perfect gift for a kid on the move. In addition, this easy-to-zip bag makes it simple for your child to put his or her belongings inside for school or while traveling. These bags are perfect for traveling, going to school, or when headed to grandma's and grandpa's house. This 3D design